Think about the moment you first put in your AirPods Pro. The silence. The immersion. It felt like magic, didn't it? But that was just the beginning. For years, Apple has been collecting data, refining technology, and building a device that isn't just about sound. It's about you. Your health. Your focus. Your survival in a noisy world. Stop. Before you buy the Pro 2. Before you settle for a competitor. You need to know the industry-shattering secrets leaking out of Apple's deepest supply chains. The secrets of the AirPods Pro 4. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is not a minor chip bump. This is a complete reimagining of what an in-ear device can do. This is the future of audio and wellness, and it's about to change everything. Let's dive into the core feature that is sending shockwaves through the tech world: health tracking. Our most trusted sources indicate the AirPods Pro 4 will be loaded with advanced biometric sensors, utilizing the ear, the perfect place for accurate data collection. The primary leak: integrated body temperature and heart rate variability, HRV, sensors. No more bulky smartwatches required just for basic health tracking. Your AirPods Pro 4 will passively, accurately monitor key indicators of stress, illness, and recovery, seamlessly feeding data into the health app. The AirPods could detect an elevated stress level and automatically transition your noise cancellation into a specialized Zen mode, playing calming ambient sound profiles while simultaneously using haptic feedback to guide your breathing. This is personalized wellness, baked right into your daily listening routine. But let's talk about the original magic: active noise cancellation, ANC. The Pro 4 is rumored to feature the new H3 chip, a dedicated audio processing powerhouse that unlocks a revolutionary level of noise suppression. Sources suggest the Pro 4 will introduce adaptive layered noise cancellation. It won't just block sound, it will categorize it. It can reportedly mute the low drone of an airplane engine while allowing critical announcements or nearby conversation through at a reduced volume. This is highly intelligent, personalized silence that adapts to your environment in real time, making the Pro 2's ANC feel like a simple earplug. Now, let's address the persistent user pain point: fit and comfort. The AirPods Pro 4 are rumored to feature a complete redesign of the earbud housing, utilizing advanced 3D scanning technology to optimize the shape for a wider range of ears. The most exciting leak here is the potential for automated acoustic seal testing and adjustment. The earbuds may include a gentle, adjustable fit mechanism that physically optimizes the seal inside your ear canal, guaranteeing perfect audio isolation and bass response every single time. And finally, the feature that will make every dedicated Apple user upgrade: lossless audio over Bluetooth. For years, we've settled for compressed audio on the go. The Pro 4 is rumored to be the first device to leverage a new, proprietary Apple audio protocol, utilizing the H3 chip and advanced wireless technology to deliver true, studio-quality lossless audio wirelessly to your ears. This isn't just a louder sound. This is hearing your music the way the artist intended, without sacrificing the freedom of wireless listening. The AirPods Pro 4 are not just wireless earbuds. They are a discreet, powerful wearable computer, a personal health monitor, and an audiophile-grade listening system, all packed into a tiny, elegant form factor. Ask yourself, are you willing to settle for old technology that only delivers